Welcome back. Now news from sports. Sargaukar Sports Club cricketers have given themselves a great chance of winning their third major trophy in Goa's 2011-12 season. Sargaukar will clash with NRB GSA Stars in the final of historic Bandorkar League Trophy on Friday afternoon at Panjim Gymkhana ground. Enjoying a superb run of form, Sargaukar have already won the prestigious GPL 2020 and 3-day tournament this season. Meanwhile, GC Academy Stars missed out on the place in the final as they had lesser run rate than Sargaukar and GSA.
Sargaukar Sports Club survived a scare in their final league match on Wednesday morning. In a low-scoring match, Sargaukar edged out Dempo Cricket Club by just 2 runs. Batting first, Sargaukar could only manage to score a total of 120 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Once again, Captain Sagun Kamath got a major share of their runs with 40 against his name. Dempo's IS Reddy and Amol Shinde took 2 wickets each. In reply, Dempo had a disastrous start, losing half their side within 25 runs. However, Dempo fought back hard to keep themselves in the hunt. Vidyahar Kamath top scored with 35 runs while Buddhadev Mangaldas remained unbeaten on 33 runs but could not steer Dempo to victory. Keshal Vaingadkar took 3 wickets for Sargaukar, who won by 2 runs. In another match, NRB GSA Stars defeated Sarvodaya Royal by 7 wickets to reach the final. Sargaukar meet NRB GCA Stars in the final on Friday afternoon. Our video journalist from Kampal, Prajot Pednekar.
Goan boys produced a good performance against Jammu and Kashmir, but the girls failed to do so against Himachal Pradesh in the ongoing National Sub-Junior Basketball Tournament at Verna. Goa, however, tasted a rare victory at the national stage on Tuesday at Agnelashrem. FIBA certified referee Michelle Fernandes is happy that the national event is finally being held in state after a long gap of 10 years. She feels this will help in raising the basketball standard in the state.
Goa scored their first win of the tournament by defeating Jammu and Kashmir. The Goan boys will look to continue the good work in the next round. Goan official and FIBA certified lady referee Michelle Fernandes hopes that the best team will win the title.
I'm a Panel B qualified FIBA referee, the only lady referee in Goa who's officiating the games over here. And it's really nice that the Nationals after 10 years has come back to Goa, and this will help to raise the standard all over India as well as in Goa. And I wish the teams loads of luck and may the best team win.
Our reporter from Verna, Savio Dias.
Summer plus water park, what a combination. Water slide, pool full of play and fun and company of your best buddies. It's happy summer. Watch our special series on summer Beat the Heat with Avinash Joshi.
Party people. ह्या गरमेक मात दिवपा खातीर हांव वॉटर पार्कान आयला. हे वॉटर पार्क बी म्हटल्यार गोंयकाराक कितें तरी नवीनूच. समुद्र किनाऱ्याचेर वचून गरमी घालोवपाची लोकांक जाल्या संवय. हांवें म्हटलें this summer let's beat the heat in a different way.
Water park करपाची आयडिया तुमकां खंयतल्यान आयली?
My children, when they were small, they always wanted to do something in Goa. There was no enjoyment in Goa, so that's what gave me the idea of doing something for children. Unfortunately, my children are big now, and they cannot enjoy it like they would have. But still, I get pleasure in seeing other children enjoy the water park. You have tiny tots to senior citizens. Everybody comes to the park.
वॉटर पार्कान खूप मजा केली. हांवें माझी गरमी घालयली. आता तुम्ही पळयात तुम्ही कशी गरमी घालयतायत ते. हांव प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर अविनाश जोशी विथ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शेलकार.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.